So boys and girls, today I would like to read to you the book The Color Monster. It's a story about emotions by Anna Lanus. I'd like you to notice the colors that are used. I'd like for you to see if you agree with the colors they chose for each emotion. And I'd love for you to look at how the illustrator drew the color monster. So, let's look at this. First of all, a color monster. Here we go. This is the color monster. Today he woke up feeling confused, and he doesn't know why. Are you all mixed up again, color monster? Your emotions don't work well when they're all jumbled up. You should try to separate them and put each one in its own jar. If you'd like, I can help you. Let's try to make sense of how you feel. So she takes him off. He's not so sure he wants to go. This is happiness. It shines yellow like the sun and twinkles like the stars. When you're happy, you laugh and jump and dance and play. You want to share your happiness with everyone. This is sadness. It is lonely and blue like a rainy day. It washes over you like the sea. When you're sad, you hide and want to be alone. You don't want to do anything except maybe cry. It's okay to cry, color monster. Can you spot color monster? I had to look for him. This is anger. It burns red like a fire and is hard to stamp out. When you're angry, life can feel unfair. Sometimes you want to take out your anger on others. But I'll be nice to you, color monster, and your anger will disappear. This is fear. It hides and runs away like a mouse in the night. When you're afraid, you feel tiny. You think you don't have the courage to face the gray shadows, but I can help you find your way. This is calm. It's quiet like the trees and as light as green leaves swaying in the wind. When you're calm, you breathe slowly and deeply. You feel at peace. Now you can rest, color monster. All your feelings are in the right place. See? Don't you feel much better? Uh-oh. I see you're feeling something new. You look different, color monster. Tell me, how do you feel now? What do you think the pink means? Oh, he feels love. Now today you're going to be drawing your very own color monster. I'm going to be giving you a grid like this that can maybe help you out. Right here, if you want to use your dice, you can use that to decide which body you want to choose or which head. But basically you're going to start by choosing a body, whether you use the dice or not. I'd say in real life, in the story, the most often one used is like right here, or here, a little bit here. Then you're going to choose a head shape. It can be tilted. Maybe its ears are going to be down. Maybe it's rounded. Maybe its head is even spikier than this. You can have lots of fun with that. Here are eye choices, mouth choices, arm choices, and leg choices. Let me show you how we're going to do that now.